Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You might wondering what the hell is this mess that I have an inverter here. I have a PWM charger and there is a relatively huge battery which is handling 2.5 kilowatt hours maximum and yeah, that's a 24 volt battery and that's a 24 volt MPPT inverter. And even though that it says that MPPT solar charger, it is not. But why the hell I'm still using it? The answer is very simple. This solar inverter is generating 230 volts right now. I just pressed some button and I have active usage, so like actively it is on 10% load and it is taking out around 400 watts from the battery and from the solar panel itself. It uses, actually you need like 4 or 5 solar panels in order that you have the 150 volts to even wake up. And right now I have only one panel. And the idea was that I will skip all the budgets, so like I will use only one solar panel and still would be able to use as a classic inverter this one, because I have this charge controller, which many of you in the comment section you told me that it is killing the batteries, and that's my true. And I have changed actually from this inverter from the 12 volts to 24 volts because this is handling much more power. And the next step would be for me that I get some solar panels by, and I will get rid of this PWM charge controller. But so far it was working perfectly. It is working perfectly. And basically for what I'm using it is like to fill this ICB tank with water and puring my foundation, because in my previous videos I was discussing about puring my foundation. It's now overflowed and it's time to flood it again with water. If you find that interesting as a topic to discuss about solar panels, solar charge controllers, off-grid setups and do-it-yourself setups, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments below, that's the most important, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.